Age-defying secrets cosmetic surgeons don't want you to know. Look years younger without surgery using your fingertips. Wendy Wilken is a physiotherapist by profession who is also an expert in Chinese holistic medicine and healing technique. She is one of the top face yoga and acupressure facelift experts on the planet. At the time of compiling the face engineering exercises system, she was 31 years old. She never wears makeup because she started performing face training exercises on her own face at the early age of 18. She is a living example of the eternal youth that face regeneration workouts offer ladies and guys. Face yoga author Wendy Wilken, creator of the face engineering exercises system. Get a younger looking skin and a glowing face using Wendy Wilken's face toning system. Wendy Wilken shows how to rub out forehead lines with her facial engineering workouts. Face workout point 2 front view, face workout point 2 side view to avoid worry creases on the brow with face yoga. The face engineering exercises system money back guarantee. This is where we leave you to make your life-changing decision about face transformation workouts. You are at a crossroads here. The choice is yours. Allow your looks to degenerate and fade by closing this page. Grab your copy of Face Engineering Exercises immediately and claw back your youth with Wendy Wilken's simple and quick face lifting techniques. You can be sporting a non-invasive facelift in days or weeks from now, and be the envy of your friends and family with your restored, radiant beauty. Don't delay, download Face Engineering Exercises right now to your computer or mobile device and restore your looks. Trim and purge the symptoms of aging with facial training techniques.